Hi, welcome back to Leo Nature. Today I'm going to be doing a beginner's guide for archery. First thing we need to talk about in archery is safety. First, we need to make sure that there's about 15 meters of clearance behind our target. This will make sure that no one gets hurt. Luckily, we're in our family's private woods. Let's get into the video. Now, obviously, we need to think about protecting ourselves. This is why I'm wearing an arm guard and this small little glove. The arm guard protects me from the string, because when I pull back and release, it will bash my arm, and that makes a really big bruise. Also, I have this. This is to make it so it's easier to pull back the string with the end of my fingertips. If you look at the arrows, you can see there are two colours that are the same, and one colour that's odd one out. The odd colour out, which is white for me, we need to be facing upwards. This is so that if you put it the other way, the white feather will brush against your bow like that. So we need to put this like this. Before you draw the string, you'll have to get in the right position. You need to stand with your feet sideways on from the target. Then you need to get 3 fingers and place them underneath the arrow on the string. We need to bring back the string so it's on your cheek, and then we have to look down the arrow and release. This could be a struggle to take out. So, the way to take them out, we're going to need to put our hand on the target like so, with the arrow in between our thumb and this finger. I'm going to need to put our hand right on the end of the arrow and pull. Same with all the other ones. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.